Hello, I'm Leo, a product manager in Axiomtek. I would like to share some product information with you. In the past over 20 years, Axiomtek provides a lot of board service to the value customer. The board service was including a kind of the different form factor, performance, and the function. The purpose is to help customer to win more and more projects and build up the solid partnership. Today, there are three kinds of the customized service we would like to provide to our customer. First one is the single board computer. We will base on customer requirement to provide a suitable product, not only from form factor, but also from performance point of view and the temperature requirement. And we also incubate a new form factor for 1.8-inch SBC. I will have detailed introduction later. Second will be chassis and peripheral. We have integrated our board and the chassis together as well as peripheral together, and all chassis have been certified by our EMI and ESD lab. So customers don't need to care about anything about validation and quality. The last one is the system. In future, we are not only provide the board, chassis, and peripheral, but also we have ability of ID design and thermal simulation. So we are welcome any customized service. Here is the most update for our board. The first one is the Xeon platform for SOM product. We are working on new platform for Ice Lake E and expect to have sample in Q1 of next year. The second one is desktop platform. Currently, we adopt 3.5-inch and the mini ITS. We will move to next generation Alder Lake S and expect to have the sample in Q1 of next year. The third one is the mobile platform we adopt into our small form factor, like 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch and SOM. We plan to move to new generation for Alder Lake P and expect to have sample in Q2 of next year. The last one is Atom solution. There are so many form factor adopt this platform, and we choose the SOM and the 3.5-inch SBC for our next generation adoption. So we expect to have EVT sample in Q1 of next year. In order to provide more and more chassis solution, we integrate our SBC and the chassis to be the system. The benefit is customers don't need to pre-test EMI ESD in local and thinking about where to buy the peripheral, and doesn't need to consider anything about the technical service. If customers have a future requirement based on our system, no matter IoT devices or server product, we are welcome to do any modification for the customer. This is the following. I would like to introduce our product. The first one is the 3.5-inch SBC powered by AMD Ryzen V1000 series. Focal desktop CPU with the wide range TDP around 15 up to 45 watt. The support single slot DDR4 SOD up to 16 GB and built-in full display output with 4K resolution for menu board or digital signage. Additional up to 4 GB for data transmission, and also implement dual expansion slot for NVMe storage and Wi-Fi connectivity. And we also integrate the chassis solution as bottom right corner, you can see. And so the customer can adopt our whole solution for your IoT devices. The second one, 3.5-inch SBC, is the first one we adopt Intel 11 generation Tiger Lake U series. 4-core mobile CPU support dual slots as DDR4 SOD up to 64 GB. The built-in 3 display output with 4K resolution. And also option for EDP or LVDS. Additional support one port 2.5 GB RAM, and also implement 3 expansion slots for the NVMe storage, 5G and LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity. This very thin design also support 3 generation of DC connector for the for system integration. The third one is the 3.5-inch powered by Intel 8 Car Lake, and with wide range TDP around 4.5 watt until to 12 watt. Support single slot DDR4 SOD up to 16 GB, and the built-in 3 display output with 4K resolution, option EDP and LVDS. Also support one 2.5 GB RAM port, and the implement 3 expansion for the NVMe, 5G, LTE, and Wi-Fi connectivity. This is our new product for the 2.5-inch powered by Intel 8 generation Whiskey Lake U series. Compact size support one DDR4 SOD up to 32 GB, and also eMMC onboard. And the built-in 3 display with the 4K resolution, optional EDP and LVDS. And support 1 GB RAM port, and implement 1 expansion for the Wi-Fi connectivity. Due to the ever-changing technology and the CPU getting smaller, we are thinking how to serve more and more customers. So we incubate a new form factor for 1.8-inch SBC. The model name is Kiwi310. We adopt Intel upper-rack CPU and build DRAM and the eMMC onboard. The size very smaller and also supports 3 kinds of operation system. Very wonderful product used for IoT devices like the 5G, gateway, and the sensor hub market. As you can see the slide below, we did some concept model for IoT devices to create more and more business. So if you are interested in this product, please connect to your sales rep. This is the system on module. Basic size with Type 6. Dimension is 125 mm by 95 mm. This is the first one. Support comes press R3.50 standard. Powered by Intel 9 generation confident refresh mobile Edge CPU up to 6 core and a wide range TDP around 25 up to 45 watt. support LPDDR4 DRAM on board and up to 96 gigabytes, and also spill in 1 PCIe by 16 Gen 3 and 8 PCIe Gen 3. This is another system on module on Type 10 mini size, also support ComExpress 3.50. Dimension is 84 mm by 55 mm. It's also powered by Intel 8-core link, wide range TDP around 45 watt until 212 watt. Support LPDDR4 on board up to 60 gigabyte and eMMC on board up to 128 gigabyte. Implement 3 display output, also support wide range temperature for the different environments. This is a Microsoft release Windows 11 operation system. Also announced a free upgrade program based on Windows 10. Most of our SBC already adopt Windows 10, and we are doing the validation, and we're planning to release official notice starting from Q1 of this year. Today, I would like to show you our one of the concept technology. This is from one of our customers for the unique market, and they have the experience when they update the BIOS fail. The board is not able to build up the 2 operational system anymore. In order to solve this problem, the dual BIOS technology is one of our solutions for the customer to solve this problem. And we have extra functions like data protections, redundancy, and also save RM cost. And we have planned to implement this technology for our specific project. So if you have the similar requirement, please kindly let us know. In order to provide more and more customized service to our customer, maybe you know that the EC and the MCU getting popular and anywhere around to our life. We would like to share our ability of technology on EC and the MCU experience we did for the customer, including customized behavior, customized behavior, scenario simulation, security protection, and hardware monitoring. We are not only provide the hardware solution, but also have the customized firmware design to fit in customized scenario and the environment. If you have this kind of requirement, please kindly let me know, and we will provide the customized service for you. Here is my presentation. Thank you for your lesson.